Now her lashes kind of point down at the edge of her lash line. So when I have someone like that, I'm gonna hold my tape at the end and just grab her lid and pull it upward so that I'm not pulling any of those top lashes into that bottom lash line. And then I'll place down. After she's closed, you can see that the iPad is just a little bit higher. So I always grab the edge of the iPad, I pull it out and down just the slightest bit, and that's gonna help so that the iPad isn't pressing into her lash line throughout the appointment. You always wanna make sure before you get started that they're nice and comfortable and that nothing is poking them or feeling weird at all. Otherwise, you'll have to deal with watering and things like that through your appointment. She has some baby lashes here that are harder to isolate. So what I like to do with that, with the inner corners, is I'll grab just a little piece of my Pro Tape. I take the edge like this and place it just at that very edge on her lid. And then if I hold and pull to the side, it opens that all up and it's much easier to isolate those inner corners. So once you see the glue flattening out a bit like this, that's a good sign that you want to change your adhesive. Keeping your glue dot nice and fresh seems like a simple thing, but it really will make a big difference in your sets. Your retention will be much better if you're using fresh adhesive. So when you find a natural lash that's off to the side like this, you want to make sure that you still place your extension straight up. So focus on that base attachment rather than the angle that that natural lash is going. Once you place it, that natural lash is going to kind of just disappear, but you're going to see the angle of that extension. So just because a natural lash is pointing off to the side, again, make sure that you keep that extension straight up and down.